For the late former President Robert Mugabe, it was Singapore. That is where he received specialist medical treatment and even died there on September 6, 2019, a solidarity death in a far-flung place after ruling Zimbabwe for 37 years with an iron fist, brutality, and killings. He died in the comfort of foreign hospitals after ruining the country and its infrastructure, institutions, and facilities like hospital, part of his devastating legacy. For his successor and protege, President Emerson Mnangagwa, it is Belarus, an equally distant small Eastern European country. Mnangagwa left Zimbabwe instantly yesterday for Belarus to seek urgent medical attention, official sources told the news house. Sarabina Mashuo, General Berry, another coming to Nika Bangwa Inoi, Onzi, he left but ampono uchaka medical treatment. After Pambo Ichika, speculations, Mahunga, Bangwachiti, mineral deals, Bangwachiti, there are some medications and drugs. Bangwa Inoi, that was subscribe or like on the bell icon. And the President Mnangagwa left the country quietly and is basically in Belarus for medical treatment. It's a private visit like the recent one, the South African President Cyril Ramaphosa to Zimbabwe, but he met with Belarusian counterpart Alexander Lukashenko. Like with the Ramaphosa visit, the official dimension was added to provide a cover to speculation, but clearly it was a private visit, not a working, official or hosted visit. He is in Belarus for a medical checkup and treatment. The rest is just atmospherics. Contrasting medical travel habits of Mugabe and Mnangagwa, frequenting Singapore and Belarus respectively, serves as a poignant lens through which to maximize the decay of Zimbabwe's public health infrastructure, shifting geopolitical alignments, and the perpetual of elite medical tourism in post-independence era. Toma developments and Pangwa in a comment section made of Furo N, not today from Silver Sheet Kodish. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.